Carla is going to be our last question for Michelle Obama.
Hi, Rachel. Hi, Michelle. My name is Carla, and I live in Virginia Beach. I'm married to my wonderful husband, Brian, of 5 years, and I'm stepmom to his two wonderful sons. So, my question is, my husband has been working from home since March, and he is driving me crazy because he just keeps disrupting my routine. What I was wondering, does President Obama and your girls get on your nerves during this whole quarantine?
That's funny.
Carla, yes, girl. Oh my God. They can just, it's really interesting because sometimes Barack just comes in the room and I'm in the middle of something and he's just, what you doing? It's like, nothing, just please go. Sometimes you just don't want to talk.
Right.
You're not ready for a check-in when they are. So quarantine started out so lovely. There was the first page when we were all together and we'd go apart and then we'd come together and it was so
like a storybook.
Right around June, all that magic started wearing off. So yes, Barack Obama is a wonderful man, but he is still a man. And so
your young ladies now, this is the time in their lives they're supposed to be exploring the world and going.
Yeah.
What's it like in your bubble? How is it going for them? How are they perceiving this time, this extraordinary year?
Well, we've tried to use this time as a family together to do what we do a lot with our kids is to let them talk.
Yeah.
In the same way to let them emote, not to judge their feelings. I mean, one of the things I have to remind myself and some of my girlfriends, what our kids are going through is unlike anything we've ever had to experience. And I try to communicate that to them. This is all new. And the feelings that they're feeling and the fears that they're having and the confusion and the malaise and the highs and the lows, it's all new. And trying to get them to talk that through, but also helping them keep this all in perspective, that, they're young and life is long. And I think one of the things young people could be learning through this time is that life is arbitrary. We don't have control over the planet in the way that we think we do. We've taught our kids, you can make a plan, and if you execute it, this and that will happen. Well, we know as we get older that life throws you a whole bunch of curves. And there are a lot of things outside of your control. And I hope that this time, as parents, as adults in the world, that we help take some of the pressure off this generation to be so perfect and to get things so right and to never make mistakes, to live life with humility. And a sense of empathy and compassion. I mean, I'm telling my kids right now, it's like, you know what? I mean, I hope you pursue your passions, but the most important thing you can be in life is a good person.
That's right.
Who is decent to other people. We need more of that. We don't need more investment bankers. We don't need more doctors and lawyers. We don't need more television personalities. We need more decent, compassionate people who are willing to stand in the shoes of others and share the great wealth that is this planet and is this country, to share it with gratitude and to be open and accepting of all these amazing differences that make us so unique. That's what I care more about these days.